Hello guys, welcome back to Jiva. Today I am here with a very simple chicken curry, or you can say chicken kosha. This recipe is all about the spices and the process. This is a very delicious and juicy chicken recipe. I have tried this curry in different process, but this is the best process I have got. This chicken curry is best served with palau rice, plain rice, or even it goes well with roti or naan. Let's first start with the chicken marination. Here I have 1 kg of chicken cut in medium size. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now squeeze 2 limes into it. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Now use your hands to mix all of this. Make sure you mix it well and every single piece of the chicken is coated with the spices. Now cover it and rest it for at least 3 hours. For best results, you can also leave it overnight. Okay, let's now make the spice, which is the garam masala. Make this at home and the curry will be at its best. Take a pan but do not turn on the flame. Now put 2 bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 star anise, 5 to 6 cloves, 8 to 10 peppercorn, 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini, 1 mace or javitri, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder or the jaifal powder. Turn on the flame and fry all the spices for around 5 to 6 minutes or till you get the nice aroma of the spices. Once you have the aroma of the spices, turn off the flame and let it cool for a few minutes. Now once the spices have cooled down completely, put the spices into a grinder and grind it to a smooth dust, or you grind it to powder. Now from this point of time, all you need is a little patience. The slower you cook, the best curry you are going to get. Now take a pan and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Do not overheat the oil. Now add 2 bay leaves and the dry spices, which is 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms and 2 to 3 dried red chilies. Splatter the spices until you get a nice aroma of it. Now to it add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar doesn't make the curry very sweet, it will bring a nice taste and color to the curry. Once the sugar dissolves completely, add 2 to 3 finely chopped onions. Fry until the onions become soft and turns golden brown. This will take you around 5 to 10 minutes on medium-low flame. Once the onions are well cooked, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well with the other spices and again cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. All you need is to give a little time to the cooking. Try cooking the chicken curry in a very low flame. Now at this point of time, add the marinated chicken to the pan. I left the chicken marinated for around 3.5 hours, but if you are running short of time, you can at least keep it for 2 hours. Give the chicken a nice mix with the onions and the spices in the pan. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can also add salt at the later stage. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Mix it well with the chicken. Now let the chicken fry for around 10 to 15 minutes in medium-low flame or till it changes its color. Keep stirring about every 5 minutes to avoid burning. Now add 1 green chilli, 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Adding the green chilli would be optional. It depends on how spicy you want your chicken curry to be. Give it a nice mix again. As I said earlier, all you need is a little bit of patience. The slower you cook, the delicious your chicken curry will be. Now cover this and cook for around 10 minutes. The chicken will leave water of its own. After letting it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that the chicken has left water. Now add the garam masala which was made a while ago. Give it a nice mix with the chicken and the other spices in the pan. Now add 6 to 7 lime leaves. I do not have the fresh one, so I am using the dry leaves. But if you are having the fresh lime leaves, do go for it. Cover the lid for around 2-3 minutes. Now remove the lid and give it a nice mix. You will get the flavor of the lime leaves and all the spices. And also the chicken are quite tender and juicy. Here your chicken kosha or the chicken curry is ready to serve. The decent cooking time for it will take around 30 to 40 minutes. It's time to dish out the chicken. My choice to serve with this is the pulao rice. You can serve with your choice of rice or any kind of breads. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Also hit the bell button for the notifications of my latest videos.